Hey guys, I ordered this Eco Pro 2 disc resurfacing system and ordered it last week. It took about, from the time I ordered, I think about 6 days to get here. So not bad. It came UPS ground. Looks like the box is not too beat up. I paid $1,450 plus $20 shipping for this thing. So pretty good investment. But this video, I'm just going to show y'all how it's packaged. I'm going to show setting it up, and we'll go ahead and clean a couple of discs hopefully during this video too. Not really a review video. I don't like to give I can give first impressions, but I can't really give a good review until I've used it for a couple of weeks, and that'll be coming later. It's got some nice seals on it, I guess, to protect them. Keep this box. This box is used to safely transport. So I guess if we have some kind of any kind of problems, I need to keep this box in case I got to send it back. Ask about our trade-in, trade-up program. All right, so we've got, this is the cleaning solution. These are some pads. Okay, that's actually 2 in there. So there's 4 pads, buffing pads. This is the key, and this key it's kind of a weird thing. This key you have to use in the machine, and this key has 800 cleaning cycles on it, I believe, which are, no, 800 minutes on it. And supposedly these supplies will last 800 minutes, I guess. I'm not speaking from experience yet, but yeah. And once you use this card up, you have to buy another round of supplies. And they use this, I think, to ensure that you buy your chemicals from them, which is, you know, that's whatever. It's fairly affordable. It's actually pretty cheap, depending on how many cycles you have to run the disc through, I guess. All right, and then we have, looks like a power supply, little cord here for the power supply. This is the little rack, I think, to hang the bottles from. This is the bottle for the water. And we have some more packing materials, which I'm going to save all this stuff, because if I don't like this thing, I can actually end up, if I don't like it, I can actually send it back for the first 7 days. I can send this thing back. And I think, look, that's some nice packaging there, huh? Look at that foam. Very well protected. It's got space and it's got foam. I'm a reseller, so I'll look at the packaging. But yeah, it's a good sturdy box, and it's packaged extremely well. Okay, no complaints there. Okay, wait, are there instructions? Did I miss that? Okay, that's weird. That's okay. That's one thing. It's not a huge deal, but for the instruction manual for your machine, please go. They give the website. There's no manual in here. That's kind of odd to me for a $1,450 machine. At least just give like a 1-page printout, quick start instructions. You know how to set it up. But yeah, I mean, I guess this way they can make changes if they need to. All right. I do have to say the manual is very well done. Extremely simple instructions and lots of photos. So I will give them that for sure. Let's get started. Loosen and set aside the bottle holder thumb screw. Okay, they're talking about this right here. Okay. That's just hand tight. That must be what holds the little rack thing. Now it's telling me to install this guy. Okay, and then now I'm installing this. It took a little bit of force to push it in and slide it over to the left, and then attach thumb screw. So far, pretty simple. Okay, now I'm supposed to put 350 milliliters of water. And they actually show on the photo that's going to be right to about here. So I'll just pour some bottled water in there. Go. And push the water supply. Oh, attach the water bottle cap, which is this one right here. Okay, and push the water supply tube into the bottle. Oh, it won't sit on that side. It doesn't fit the other side. Okay. I'm supposed to shake this. Uncap it. This tube looks like it's already primed with some of that solution. Maybe during the testing phase, huh? It must have tested Q8 it. All right, put this in there, and then they actually already. One thing they're real careful to mention is that this blue tape right here needs to be inside of this, like that. Okay, now I need to turn the machine around, get access to the front, and we're going to put the key card label side faces to the right. Make sure I don't break this. Okay, label side to the right, so it's going to go in like this. Now I'm going to connect power. Turn on main power switch. Okay, we're powered up. It says starting. Look at that. CD, DVD, 800 minutes. Can you all see that? Yeah, you can see that, sort of. Remaining time on key card is 800 minutes, as it shows right there. Important, before repairing discs, the water and polish tubing must be filled with water and polish compound. Failure to do so may cause damage to the disc and pads. Remove the black water nozzle caps and set them aside. Okay, it's these. These are the water nozzle caps right here and here. And I'm going to put those in the box. Find a small container or use a piece of paper towel to catch water and compound from the nozzles during the priming process. Press and hold start button and then press function button. Okay, water pump on. I don't see any water coming out yet. Okay, there's water spurting out of that one, but not this one yet. Okay, now there's water coming out of both. Press any button to exit this. Okay, press and hold stop and press function. Compound pump on. Oh, there it goes. It's coming out. We got a gusher. Yeah, the top one's coming out now too. Not gushing yet though. Not as much as the bottom one. It's not coming out like, oh, there it goes. Okay. Bump, bump, blop, blop, blop. Okay, so press any button to stop the platen table after confirming that compound comes out. Okay. Pads have a polishing side and a Velcro side. Okay, that's the Velcro side, and this is the polishing side. And then there's some foam in the middle. And, oh wait, no, this is the Velcro side, I guess. Because it has that little notch right there. Guess I had that backwards. Alright, and then the pad goes on like so. And the pad goes on like so. I think I got that right. Okay, place a disc so that the side to be repaired faces upwards. Here we go. I have a copy of Wii Sports here. Let me make sure y'all can see it. There, you can see the scratches. It's not horribly scratched there, but it's actually, there's some kind of bad ones there. So let's see if it'll repair this thing. Okay, I don't think there's anything left to do except just close the lid. I followed the instructions, which I don't normally do. Let's go. Here goes. And supposedly, at the end of this, we're supposed to be able to pull out a nice clean disc without solution or anything like that. That was what I didn't like, or one of the many things I didn't like about my last machine, the JFJ. It says drying, but I just wonder how much repair I get out of one cycle. Okay, it's ready. It's not spinning. Let's see how much repair we got. Oh, okay. Well, let's see. It is way better, but it's not clean. Let me see if I can get it cleaner. It's definitely warm too. That's something I noticed right away. And I know that you can, look, I have 799 minutes left. So I'm gonna give it another minute. I would say this disc is probably scratched up a little more than the average scratch disc I'm gonna do. So let's see how we are looking now. Now we are looking, ooh, that's pretty good. That's pretty dang good. You may be able to find a few minor imperfections on the disc, but that's after a minute and a half of cleaning. That's really nice. I'm impressed. So I'm not going to go too deep into, I'm not going to go any deeper at all. I'm not going to go any deeper at all into using this machine on this video, because like I said, I want to have some time to use it and see how I really feel about it after cleaning 100 discs or so. And then we're going to do another video where I'm not setting it up. I'm just talking about how well it works. I'll go through the math of it all. How much does it cost to clean the disc? What's cost effective, what's not, and we'll talk about that later. But I gotta say, the setup, the priming, sorry it's raining, setup, priming, the first clean I'm happy with. Yeah, so far so good. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.